What up, everybody? This is me, Brandon Green, owner of Autoworks. I'm driving my G-Wagon, the 2010 G55 AMG. Why am I driving it? Well, because I'm happy to be driving it, because I just got a repair done on it. There was an issue with this, I guess it's considered the front SAM. I don't know. It's a module that has the relays and the fuses. It's really in the dash, up under the dash on the passenger side, up under the glove box. There was water that was getting inside the vehicle through the antenna opening. There was a broken antenna when I first bought this car, at the top of the car above the windshield. And that antenna breaking off allowed water, intrusion of water into the cabin. And it would drip down inside the dash on the passenger side, right there where the module is. And so it was causing different issues, like starting issues. It would cause the fans to blow full blast, and the car wouldn't start. It started to get worse where when I was driving, as I would slow down, the car would cut off. So that was pretty crazy. So the only way that I could fix that was to ultimately remove and replace the module. So I ordered it online from Mercedes of Miami. I think I found the cheapest one. They usually want $1,200-$1,300 for it. I think I found it for like $800. And so I bought that, probably like 6 months ago. And I went through the relays thinking that maybe it would just be a relay. You know, I even did a video of me removing the whole module and trying to clean it off. It was evident that there was some water that had got into it. And that didn't really do anything. I mean, I guess it kind of worked, but not all the time. I still had an issue with it. So I decided to go ahead and just do what I needed to do and replace the module. And fortunately, I have a nice guy here locally who can do the programming. He was able. You do have to do the programming, by the way. You can't just install a module, not that module, and expect it to work. It has to identify your vehicle. There has to be some kind of coding related to your vehicle so that it recognizes it. So that's what I was able to do. He did that for me. It only took him probably just a few hours to go ahead and do that. The hardest thing is to remove and to install the module, because those wires are so tight up under that dashboard, and you don't have a whole lot of clearance. And some of those, like I said, wires are short, and so you have to really be careful removing them and installing them so that you don't mess the connectors up. You will probably break a couple tabs trying to get those up out of there. But that's what it took though to fix it. So now the car is starting up, no problem. Make sure that when you do that, the new module doesn't come with all the same relays, because it's kind of like each car has certain features or options that other cars don't have. So there will be some slight differences there, but make sure that all the same relays and fuses or whatever are transferred over. It comes with a whole bunch of relays, but there's a few that are missing. So just make sure that you put those in there from the old one, as long as they're not damaged. But it's all good. So now I'm driving my G55 and I'm happy, I'm excited. And I can now confidently jump in this car and drive it wherever I want to. I really miss driving this. I just wasn't confident. I think I went to like the gym. I took the kids with me to go play basketball, and the car died as I was pulling into the parking lot. And I had all these people coming over looking at the daggone G-Wagon. I had to get out, and my other son, we had to push the car back into a parking space. It was so embarrassing. So after that happened, I said, I ain't driving this thing until I get this thing repaired. So I'm happy. So there you go. So that's the update with the G-Wagon. I know, like I said, you all saw maybe the previous video, and I'll probably try to attach that video to this video of the damage, the issue that I was dealing with. And that was one reason why I bought it so cheap. I was able to get a great deal on this G-Wagon, was because of that issue, and he couldn't figure it out. And I think Mercedes at the time couldn't figure it out, but I figured it out. And that's why I'm going to my Autoworks. I knew it was related to that module. So, all right, guys, more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Take care.